Hey everybody!
Hi.
Welcome back! And for this one, we are going to try and draw our friend Superyounger.
Yep.
That's the channel's name. The channel's name is Superyounger. So, let's give this a shot, easy.
Yep.
So for starters, in the middle here, we are actually starting this drawing off with a pair of spectacles.
Yeah.
Yep. So, we're going to draw two perfect circles. Try to make it nice. Are we gonna end up, am I gonna end up with no space? Okay, I might end up with no space, but I'm just gonna continue and I'm gonna make the body smaller. So, draw a little arm of specs there, just for the arm. And I'm gonna connect the specs there. Yeah. And now we need to draw some eyebrows, one inside the spec going, so remember it's lenses, you can see through it,
Yeah.
and one sort of hanging lower here. I'm just gonna go with this. You got that?
Yep.
And now we're going to draw hair strands. So that one goes behind. And this one goes behind the eyebrow as well. And I'm going to make another one. This is all going to be here. And just another point there. And then, let me see. So I've got some hair there. And now we need to bring hair down this side. And another strand this side. Doesn't look like much now, but we're gonna make something of this.
Yep.
And some hair this side. We can draw over the black of the glasses because we're just gonna leave that black.
Yeah.
And another strand this side. Very much like an anime character's hair.
Yeah.
And now we bring it over the top and we bring the hair in. We complete the hair on the sides here. Oh, but this back side can, this side there's more strands of hair. So you can draw in more strands.
Where is it?
Okay, so we've got that going. Now, we've got a bit of hair hanging low here and going up. And an actual eyelash section. So I'm coloring that in black as well.
Yeah.
And another bit of the eyelash coming out from behind that tuft of hair. And we're going to do the below that, the bottom lines of the eyes.
Yep.
You see that?
Yeah.
So a reflection circle. And now close up the eye there, that side. And you can do it that side as well. And pupil. And this eye on this side, we're gonna try to make it not as big as the one she's got. Okay, I think I must make this one as big as that one just to make it uniform. Okay. And now a cute little smiley mouth.
Is it look like from That's Her Life?
Like a gacha live character. It's
Yes.
possible, it's possible. I'm adding another piece of hair just to fold down the
Yes.
and I'm gonna finish up the face. Okay, what I need to do here is make my spectacles a bit thicker so that it looks like spectacle frames.
Yeah, I did.
So this drawing is slightly more confusing, but once we color them in, that's gonna make more sense.
Yeah, I didn't see one like about yeah.
It's okay. She will understand. We're just learning. Gonna leave a bit of white space there. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a little neck. And I need to draw little lines going, just short little lines there. And now we need to draw cuffs. Well, she's holding her hands up to her shoulders. I'm going to draw cuffs on that side as well. Now draw like an elbow shape. And that side as well. And now we need to make a little fist there, because that's the hands up there, and on this side. Okay, and so we add in a little, like a vest, like a waistcoat line.
Yeah.
And another one that side. And then we complete that line going across. So now let's just look at arms and the waistcoat and like the t-shirt underneath. Now we draw a little skirt shape. You got that?
Yeah.
With 2 pockets on it. One there and one there. And we draw little lines through there. You got it? I'm running out of space, so I'm going to have to shorten the leg slightly. So I'm going to draw the leg shape till the knees. So one leg, bring it down and make a shoe. Oh, you're going to have to forgive me, super younger, I ran out of space.
Yeah.
And I'm drawing the other one as well. And purple shoes with blue socks. Let me see yours. And that's our little character. That's super younger. Okay, so now we need to color, and it looks like she has a little blue collar or blue necklace going there as well.
Yeah.
So you just need to fill in a line so you can make it blue.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, are we going to color this?
Yep.
But just before we color this, we have to just let everybody know that you have a page on the Sctratch website as well.
Yes.
So the Sctratch website is a website where Izzy and anyone else for that matter can learn how to code things.
Yes.
And Izzy's been coding little games and animations using the templates that's on that site. So we're going to put a link in our description for Izzy's Sctratch page.
Yeah, if I want to tell anyone in Sctratch also.
Yeah, you can tell other people in Sctratch, hopefully they see this as well. So Izzy, let's get coloring.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yeah.
That's our friend Super Younger. I hope she likes this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what she says. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun.
Bye. Nice.
Nice.